Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you the must-do deals for next week. There are 3 hot moneymakers, over $10 of moneymakers next week, including that big hair care deal. So we are going to be getting some really good instant coupons at the Red Box. You do have to print those at the Red Box, unfortunately. They're not available online or on your account. So make sure you head over if you are going to CVS. First thing you do, go to that Red Box, scan your extra care card, or type in your phone number. That way you can get those instant coupons. If your Red Box isn't working, just ask the cashier or the manager, see if they can give you the same discount. Sometimes what they'll do is print, like for that $10 instant coupon off of 30, they'll print a $10 extra buck that you can use towards your deal. So just ask them, you never know, see what they can do to be able to honor the same pricing that is listed right in the weekly ad. So I have quite a few deals for you, a lot of money makers like you see here, and a super cheap deal on Pampers, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and the notification bell. That way when I post new deals and videos, you guys will be notified and you won't miss out on any of the savings. The Rakuten deal that I have been posting does expire tomorrow, Friday the 1st. So if you haven't done the spend 30, get $30 cash back, the link is in the description box. You do have to use that link, that way you can get that promotion. And there's a ton of great deals. There's like hundreds of stores you can choose from. And with Mother's Day right around the corner, that could be a really good way to get your mother some nice Mother's Day gift delivered straight to her door, so that way there's a limit on contact. So let's dive into these deals. First one is Arm & Hammer. You can get the liquid or the power packs. They are going to be just $2.99 next week. And we do have a $1 coupon in the app. So this is a great deal that anyone can take advantage of. Final cost will be just $1.99. We are getting some coupons in the Sunday insert as well. So if you wanted to do more of these, you can. Limit is just depending on the store. A lot of stores have been doing a limit of like 2 for laundry care because of the COVID. So just double check your stores. Those are going to be the limits that you're going to need to abide by. Hersheys Candy, really excited about this one. So the current week at the Red Box, we got a $2 off 2 instant coupon for the Hersheys Kisses or miniatures for the exact same sizes, the 7.35 to the 15 ounces. So next week they'll be on sale 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $1 extra back. So using that 2 off 2 instant coupon, you'll pay $4, get back a $1 extra buck. Final cost is just $1.50 each, which is more than a 50% savings because regular price, they're $3.99. So that could be a really, really great deal. I'm going to pick up the little Hersheys, the miniatures. That way we can use them for s'mores and movie nights, anything like that. Definitely a good deal to keep in the cupboard. Okay, Schick razors. This is going to be a great moneymaker. It could be an even bigger moneymaker depending on what CRTs you have. So the only Schick razor refill CRT I have right now is for $7 off of the Hydro Silk 5 refills, which are quite expensive. They're $18.99. So the cheaper way would be to do it this way. And they're on sale, buy 2, get a $10 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what you would do is pick up 2 of the Schick Hydro Silk 3s. Those are the cheapest ones available for the women's. They're $8.99. I think the cheapest for the men's is $11.29, if I'm not mistaken. You can always check online or, of course, in store. Every region does have a little bit different pricing. Use a $3 digital coupon and a $3 coupon that we got from the 4/26 Smart Source insert. If you have a 3 off of 12 shave CRT or 3 off of 15, that would work as well. Use that. And if you have any CRT for Schick, so if you have like a $3 off any Schick razor CRT or $4 off Schick Hydro Silk 3 CRT, something like that, definitely use that, and that would make your moneymaker even bigger. So with the way I have it now, You're going to pay $8.98. Get back that $10 extra buck. So final cost is free and $1.02 moneymaker. So this is the first of the 3 moneymakers that I have for you in this video. The next deal is on the Schick disposables. So the current week is an amazing deal. If you miss it this week and you're not able to head to the store, but you're going next week, it would still be a really good deal. So they're on sale, buy one, get one half off, and spend $15, get a $5 extra back. So what you could do is pick up 2 of the Skintimate razors. They're $9.99. So the second one would be $4.99. Now your store does have to follow the 98% rule because the total here is $14.98. So the 98% rule is you just take $15, you multiply it by 0.98, and that is going to equal the 98% rule. So as long as you're spending at least $14.70, that is 98% of $15, then it will still print that extra buck if your store goes by that rule. My store does. You'll use a $3 digital if you haven't already used it, and a $3 coupon from the 426 Smart Source, or it was also printable on coupons.com. So you can head over there and print those completely free. I always post the printable coupons Sunday morning, so that way you'll know as well how many coupons that you need, if you can just print them all without having to buy an insert, or if you want to pick up a paper. Then use a 3 off 12 shave CRT if you have it. Pay $5.98, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each. Definitely an amazing price point for razors. They're super expensive. Aleve is on sale. Buy one, get one half off, and spend $20, get an $8 extra buck. So this is the second moneymaker for you. What you would do is pick up 3 of the Aleve 40 count. Has to be 40 count or higher. Those are the ones included, and those are the ones that are in the coupon for the limit. So one of them would be $8.49, one would be half off, and the third one would be $8.49 again. Total is going to be $21.22. You're going to use 3 of the $4 off coupons we have coming in the 5-3 Smart Source insert. Use $3 off of 15 Pain Relief CRT if you have it. Then you're going to pay $6.22, get back an $8 extra buck. So final cost will be free and a $1.78 moneymaker. Colgate is on sale. This is only including the Optic White Oral Care, Sensitive, or Enamel Health. So these are the more expensive of the products. On sale, spend $15, get a $7.50 extra back. It is a limit of 2. So what you can do is pick up one of the Optic White Renewal that you see in the picture. I couldn't find it. I could have sworn it was $8.99 when I had purchased it last time. When I tried to look online, it only showed me the dual pack, which is $15.99. So I'm just assuming it's $8.99. It was either 8 or 9. I'm not sure. So we'll have to double check on Sunday. Then you're going to get one of the Colgate Optic White mouthwashes for $6.59. Total is going to be $15.58. There is a $3 renewal digital and a $1 Colgate mouthwash digital coupon. So make sure you have those clipped and sent to your card. I would just send them now. That way you don't have to worry about them disappearing next week just in case. You're going to use a 3 off of 12 or a 3 off of 15 oral care CRT. You can use one of those. You're going to pay $8.58, get back a $7.50 extra buck. Final cost is $1.08 for both, or just 54 cents each. We always get some really, really great deals and cheap deals for oral care. You should never pay more than like $1 for oral care. That is my kind of rule of thumb, $1 per product. Now for the cheap Pampers. We have Pampers diapers on sale. Spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. That is why I love CVS so much, because at Walgreens, they'll make it, 2 for $18, and then when you spend $20, you'll get some points back, which is super annoying. But CVS makes it a lot easier to get the savings. So what you'll do is pick up 2 bags. You can do the Easy Ups, the Swaddlers, whichever you need. They are going to be 2 for $20. Use a $3 off 2 digital coupon. So clip that now, send it to your card. If you have a diaper CRT, baby care CRT, anything like that, definitely send it to your card as well. If you have that CRT, or of course, you can print it at the red box. You'll pay $14, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is $9 for both bags, or just $4.50 each, which is way cheaper than Walmart. Walmart, I think they're $8 a bag. So you're going to get them for $4.50 a bag. Such a great deal. Even if you don't have the $3 baby CRT, it's still going to be a great price point. You'll pay $17, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost will be $12 for both, or $6 per bag. Still cheaper than Walmart. Okay, so this is the biggest moneymaker in the video, and this is going to be using that $10 off of 30 instant coupon we're going to be getting at the red box. So let me see. The way the instant coupon typically works is it's like a spend CRT. So it's like using a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT or something like that. So you won't be able to use other spend CRTs with this coupon. That's how it's worked in the past. Unless anything's changed, I will try to pair it with like a hair care CRT just to see if they'll stack, but I'm 95% sure they're not going to stack. So obviously there are a ton of different deals included. It is going to be on any L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Garnier products. So what you can do, the option that I came up with is 2 L'Oreal Aleve for $8, 2 Garnier Fructis for $7, 2 Maybelline single eyeshadows. Okay, there we go. 2 Maybelline single eyeshadows. My store, they are $4.39. Some stores are as cheap as $4.19. It just depends on your region. Then 2 Garnier Whole Blends. They are on sale 2 for $7. You see that here in the photo. The amazing thing about this is a lot of these have extra buck deals on top of it. So for the L'Oreal Aleve, when you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 extra buck. For the Garnier Fructis, you're going to get extra bucks. The Whole Blends, you're going to get a $2 extra buck. So that is what makes this deal so amazing, because we can use all of these coupons and we're going to get extra bucks back. So these are the coupons you're going to need. The 10 off of 30 instant coupon. The 3 off of 2 L'Oreal Aleve. There's 3 different places to get that coupon. One is from the 426 Retail Me Not. One is from coupons.com, and one is going to be a digital coupon. Now, if you use the digital the current week, I don't think we're going to be getting a new digital, so just keep that in mind. Then a 3 off of 2 Garnier Fructis coupon from the 426 Retail Me Not. A 3 off of 2 Whole Blends that we're going to be getting in this Sunday's Retail Me Not. And if you kept that $5 Maybelline instant coupon, you're definitely going to want to use it for next week. It printed for the current week in the red box. It was an instant coupon for Maybelline. So total for all these coupons is $24. Hopefully my math is correct. I think it is. I double checked it. So you're going to be left to pay just $6.78 out of pocket. Of course, you can use extra bucks. You're going to get back $4 for the L'Oreal, $2 for the Garnier Fructis, $2 extra buck for the Whole Blends, $5 extra buck from the Maybelline, and a $3 beauty buck that's going to hit your account within 48 hours because you're spending over $30 in beauty. If you're new to couponing at CVS, every $30 you spend in CVS beauty products, you get a $3 beauty buck. So that will go on your card. You can just click it and send it to your card, and that'll hit your account, like I said, in about 48 hours. So this is going to make the final cost completely free for all 8 items in a $9.22 moneymaker. So all these deals that you see in the video are going to wind up being completely free because These moneymaker deals are going to help pay for the razor deal, the Schick disposable razor deal, that Arm & Hammer laundry product. So that is why I try to share with you as many moneymakers as possible. Then you can use those additional extra bucks to help pay for anything else that you guys are going to be needing, any essentials. Of course, you can roll that and then use it in a separate transaction for food deals, whatever you guys are needing. So that is why I'm super excited. Next week, CVS is going to be so hot with the coupons and the deals going on. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment. Let me know what deal you guys are most excited about. I would have to say it is definitely going to be this hair care and makeup deal. That is the one I'm the most excited about because it is such a big moneymaker. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.